A lot of times when you're in the middle of something, you own laundromats, you're in the midst of the day to day of all that. Even if you're kind of just in the industry having the conversations as a laundromat owner, it can be difficult to see things. And you're in the industry, but you're kind of a support of the industry and not kind of in the middle of it. So I love that, you have a slightly different perspective than all the other guests we've had on the show so far. But just out of curiosity, since you're talking to laundromat owners, from all around, are you seeing anything that successful owners are doing that maybe other owners aren't doing, or anything that's working particularly well for laundromat owners?
Yeah, I mean, so obviously a heavy portion of our customers are very delivery focused. And I think businesses that, especially with COVID, businesses that have adopted pickup and delivery either had already adopted it or were pushing it or have adopted since, are definitely, doing a lot better than those that have not. That has been, I think, that has been one reason why a lot of our customers have not, I think, obviously everyone's hurting, but not as badly as maybe some that have not made that pivot or that transition. That said, I think, if you keep a clean mat and you make it attractive to come into, I mean, I think it's at least people that I know, like they're more attracted somewhere that is going to require masks or, be very seemingly proactive about containing the spread of the pandemic, just because it gives peace of mind.